Today is Friday and I'm trying to open a new vlog. This vlog would be our travel vlog from Port Harcourt to Lagos because next week is my sister's wedding. I'll be making a ponytail for the wedding and I want to retouch my hair here in Port Harcourt first. Then when I get to Lagos, I'll make the ponytail. Okay, so we're still packing, but I'm almost done. This is a different bag for my stuff. I'm trying to pack my camera. I'm trying to fit my camera into this bag. Then this has all our things, our clothes, shoes, and whatnot. Yeah, my laptop charger, camera charger. I don't think there's any other thing that I've not carried here. Yeah. So, hey guys. Look at, I'm so worn out, I'm so tired. I retouched my hair and I'm trying to prepare the food that we're going to use for tomorrow. And now my dress is here, so I will need to fit it, but hold on. Because now they tie the ones where they wear.
No worry, His love for you.
But baby, this thing, you don't like the hand. It's fine, no?
I'm
it
going
has
to put
things on it,
on the hands.
Don't worry.
Uncle, don't worry.
Yes, so.
Yes.
You know, for my breast now.
I will shape that.
She never fit, not fitting at the feet. Hey guys, I'm so tired. So I just finished prepping the children for bed. They're already sleeping. I left them in my room because tomorrow it will be easier for me to just wake them up, dress them up. All the clothes they're supposed to take wear when we are going out is already packed and set. I've packed my bags. Let me see if I can tilt it and show. Alright. Yeah, so all our stuffs are inside that bag there. And then I have some of my stuff that I'll also be taking with me. My laptop, camera, and all of that packed and ready. Okay. So right now we're just prepping, waiting for tomorrow. Like this, if not, I'm so tired. I don't think I'll be able to sleep out of excitement. I've prepared the food. So tomorrow we're taking spaghetti along. I don't want to buy food along the way. I don't want to buy something that the kids might end up eating and then they'll start maybe purging, tummy issues and all of that. So I made spaghetti. So in the morning I'm just going to heat it up and transfer it into a flask that will go with. And I also got some water, soft drinks and all of that. The rest of the things we'll buy along the way, but at least the main thing, which is the food, they'll eat what we make from the house, like homemade. Hey guys, welcome back. This is my tired face. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very tired and excited at the same time. Like, I can't wait for tomorrow. I can't wait to be in Lagos. At this point I just feel like everything is happening without me, because the rest of my sisters, like, there's no other person in Port Harcourt except me and Jedediah, which is our last son, right? Our youngest brother. So because he's also still in school and the kids are in school too, so I don't want them to miss so much of their learning because we are traveling. That's why I'm not in Lagos right now, because if not for the fact that these kids are going to school, best believe I would have been in Lagos like since last week. So now I feel like because the rest of my sisters are there, they have been doing all the running arounds, wedding planning and all of that together, it made me feel like I've missed out on a lot, right? I don't know if you guys understand, but that's how I feel. So I can't wait to be there. I can't wait to be like Meme. Yes, they carry me along, we do video calls, we talk for hours, but like it's not the same thing as being physically present. Okay, so yeah, so tomorrow morning our bus leaves by 6:30, so we have to be there. At least we're leaving the house by 6 or 6:20, or so, by 6 rather. We leave the house by 6, so 30 minutes should be enough for us to get to the bus stop. It'll be enough for us to get to the motor park, right? Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Oh my god, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on your post notification as well. I did my fitting. I showed some of the clip. Okay, the baby girl that came to my dressmaker came to the house to do my fitting, and oh, the cloth is so gorgeous. So at the end of the day, I'll leave without the dress. Let's see, I just pray that he gives me the cloth, because I really would not want my husband to send that clothes. I wanted that clothes to go with me to Lagos, so that the men will fit it there. If there's anything that needs to be done, it will be done. But like, look at it now. Hopefully I see him before tomorrow morning, because we're leaving this house by 6. I just hope that I'll be able to see him then. I've packed everything, okay, except for last minute things like our toothbrush, our sponges, all of those small things. Those ones I'll pack as soon as we finish using it tomorrow. Okay, so thank you guys for coming along. Thank you for watching till this point. Subscribe and please continue watching, because the vlog has not ended. This vlog is actually a detailed vlog of my road trip from Lagos to Port Harcourt. And funny enough, from Port Harcourt to Lagos, rather. From Port Harcourt to Lagos. And funny enough, this will be the first, I think this will be the first road trip, or yeah, this will be the first road trip I'm going on my own without my husband. Since I got married, we've always traveled together. So this is the first time we'll be traveling, especially with the kids, without him. Though I have Jedediah, my baby brother, he will be traveling with us too. So he would assist me with the kids and all. But yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow morning, okay? Good night.
Bam.
So where is this place? So we're in Delta State. Let me. First stop, Delta State. We came down, bought some things. And stretch our legs a little bit. I think this was very timely, because just when my son was telling me, Mama, I want to wee and I can't hold it anymore, we got to this place where we had to stop. Meanwhile, I got containers in the house that I wanted to hold in case they want to wee and we are in like a bushy area, but I forgot to put it in the bag. So now that we've stopped here, I got some containers we are going to use just in case he wants to wee before we get to the next stop, which is Ore, I think. Then I will just give him the container to wee inside the container. Water and drinks. So by the time we drink what is inside, then we use the container to wee. because I don't think I want to tell anybody to stop when we're in a bushy area so that they will win. Except if they want to do the number 2. Then I think I will tell them to stop. For now, we're in Delta States. Look at my crew. We're waiting for the driver right now so we can like enter the car and go because we've gotten everything we need to get. We've not even eaten, but we're going to eat in the car. Maybe as soon as we start moving or so. So yeah. See how my skin is glowing, shining. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the end of my travel vlog. We actually got to Lagos yesterday by I think 7 past 7. Yeah, we got to Lagos by past 7, and my phone was already dead, so my vlogging journey had to end. But it's currently the next day. I had a restful sleep, even if I didn't sleep so long. I didn't sleep for too long, but it's fine. Um, Reunited with all of my sisters, my brother. Like we are just all here together, prepping. This is exactly okay. Yesterday we made it like 1 week to the wedding. Today is Sunday. Today is currently this is Sunday now. Yeah, next week is the entire wedding week. So from Monday up until Thursday, activities, the court wedding, the bride price handover, a lot of activities in fact will be happening throughout the video. If this video is not long enough, then I would add more content before I officially close the vlog, but I just want to officially say thank you for watching. If you've watched up until now, please click on the subscribe button, join the family, turn on your post notification. If you never subscribe, like join the family please. We have more amazing content coming up on the channel, so if you don't want to miss any of those, turn on your post notification so that whenever I post new videos, YouTube will notify you. Okay, so I'm officially in Las Gidi. I'm in Lagos. I'm in LA. So I'm excited. Like you guys, you don't know how excited I've been. All through last week, I've always felt like, can I wind this clock? Can I just go somewhere and just wind time so that we'll get to Saturday already? I'm going to show you guys the bride to be, and the what do they call her? Maid of honor. There are my big sis. Don't worry, I know people they know they show well, but see them there. Really? So I'm going to take you guys along. Let me head to home affairs real quick and then come back. Okay? See you guys later. Bye.